Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get Messenger video call history. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now first thing first, just go to your Messenger app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be over here in this particular platform. So you can see this is the Messenger's platform, and now from here what you need to do is, let's say, go all the way down until you see this many options: chats, calls, people, and stories. So as you want to get the history of the video calls or the calls in Messenger, you're going to go with this calls option, and over here you'll be having every details of your calls history. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.